guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Zainab Ali from Zainab Cook House. So today I have come to a very special place in Mumbai which is known as Banana Leaf. So now Ganpati is going on, okay, and there are a lot of festivals where we cannot eat non-veg. So one of this festival is Ganpati. So I just thought of having something very scrumptious South Indian dishes, that too in Mumbai. So there are very less restaurants in Mumbai who serves a delicious authentic South Indian recipes, and one of them is Banana Leaf. So Banana Leaf was established in the year 2006, and we Mumbaikars are very lucky to have 6 outlets here only in Mumbai itself. So one can enjoy different cuisines of South Indian. So they are into Mangalorean, Keralite, Andhra, Tamil and many more, and they are very good in fusions also. So basically guys, I always choose most of the restaurants where I can get a touch of my home, a pleasant environment. And the best part of this Banana Leaf restaurant is they serve their meals on banana leaf, of course, a tradition from ages. So here we can see they are making nice lovely chettinad dosa, which is available anywhere in South India if you go, but this is just special because they make a special masala for it. So now guys, they are making uttapam also, so for a change sometime you can definitely try this onion uttappa or tomato uttappa. And this sambar, I must tell you, this was really scrumptious sambar, because in Mumbai we hardly get some authentic sambar here, because most of the restaurants they serve like watery kind of a sambar, but this one was damn authentic. As I said to you before, they make their masalas by themselves only, and there are some hidden ingredients like inside in it. So that's why this restaurant is so special for serving a South Indian restaurant. They are very good in Malabar parathas and fusion kinds of idlis and like many more. You can check out their menu online also. So you can choose nearby restaurant and you can enjoy their meals. So basically this is one of the best South Indian restaurants of Mumbai. As I said to you, they make a very special kind of a masala in it. So you can see they are making some kind of a dosa. In that they have put some their traditional masala, then aloo ka sabji, some grated paneer and cheese. So I cannot tell you that how I enjoyed here so much, and this was one of my best like memories with Banana Leaf restaurant. So you need to see the restaurant should have that hygiene level also. Okay, so once you will go here, you will understand like why this restaurant is little different from others. You can see this Malabar paratha in making, then piping hot medu vada. So now we are going to have some meal. So guys, now I'm going to try first what? Okay, so I'll try idli, because idli बहुत favorite है मेरा. So I'll tell you one thing, when I was at Delhi, I used to literally crave for South Indian foods, because we Mumbaikars are very used to like having this idli sambar जो अन्ना बनाते हैं सुबह breakfast. This is a like फटाक से खाने का, और ट्रेन पकड़ के we used to go office. So whenever I used to visit Delhi, for official work, तो वहाँ पे मेरा हालत ख़राब हो जाता था, because I used to not get this idli anywhere in Noida side. Even though you are on diet, people tell to have idli because it's so healthy. इनका सांबर जो है, I'm extremely sorry, it's not sambar, it's sambar. But we Mumbai again we call it as a sambar only. Basically it is known as sambar, not sambar. South India इंडिया में इडली ऐसे नहीं खाते हैं, इडली को ऐसे क्रश करते हैं, ओके, and they mix it with chutney or like sambar or any kind of dal, rasam. They want to have it and they have it like this because this is a basically tradition to have this idli like this only. आप उसको fork and knife से नहीं खा सकते हैं। इडली का कोई जवाब नहीं है। This is avial, okay, so this is a mixed vegetable made with coconut milk, okay, so this one is also very healthy। अभी ओनम गया है तो ओनम में अवियल मोस्ट ऑफ लोगों के घर में बनता है, so you can have this avial with malabar paratha or this is also known as Kerala parotha। so banana leaf का एक खासियत ये है कि you will get varieties of food here, okay, it's just not particular South India का like state का food but every like Kerala food you can get and you can get Karnataka food or Tamilian food। You can get the mixture of vegetables properly cooked, not overcooked, because आपका vegetable cook होना भी ये है टेक्निक है, क्योंकि कुछ vegetable जल्दी गलता है, कुछ vegetables जो है टाइम लगता है, तो आपको उसका जो टाइमिंग होता है वो आपको पता होना चाहिए, then only you are going to get authentic taste of that। ज़बरदस्त है, I loved it। So now I'm going to try this cutlet। This is made of a पोहा, ठीक है, पोहा चीज़ और इसमें आलू स्टफ किया हुआ है, you can see, okay, you can have this simply with chutney, green chutney, or simply you can have like this only। This is so crisp, mind blowing। ज़बरदस्त। So now I'm going to try this Calicut pulao। Calicut pulao basically it's a vegetable pulao only, okay, but this is from southern India, that's why it is known as a Calicut pulao। So there are like mixed vegetables and there is here cottage paneer also, cheese। So we'll taste this। So you can have this simply with avial or you can have this with sambar, so I'm going to have with avial। This is a very plain kind of a pulao, not too heavy, but this is made with ghee। इसका जो घी का जो फ्लेवर है वो अच्छे से आ रहा है इसके अंदर। अगेन the vegetables are not cooked, are not overcooked basically, this is cooked very properly। South Indian food जो है they have like medicinal properties also, and having on banana leaf is a different thing, okay, we should also eat banana leaf but we only eat in festivals and like that only। I'll have it little sambar। This restaurant was started 17 years back, somewhere in 2007, okay, and they have many outlets in entire Mumbai and in pan India level। You can visit this outlet to your nearby area and you can explore a lot of things from here। So guys, now I'm going to try this Chettinad dosa। So this one is a spicy dosa made with special masala of banana leaf। So this is not a regular dosa which we eat like masala dosa or Mysore dosa, this is something little different, so we'll taste this। और मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि इसका टेस्ट कैसा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई विद दिस चटनी. ओके. थोड़ा स्पाइसी है, बट जो साउथ इंडियन का मसाला होता है, उसका जो फ्लेवर्स होता है वो इस डोसे में प्रॉपरली आ रहा है. आई नेवर हैड चेटीनाड डोसा. आई हैड मैसूर डोसाज एंड दिस स्प्रिंग डोसाज और लाइक गिनी डोसाज, केरला डोसा, बट दिस इज़ वेरी न्यू टू मी. This restaurant is basically also known as for this fusion recipes. They are not only in South Indian particularly, but they try to make as fusion also. So you can check online their this menus. They are available on Zomato also and Swiggy also. You can order online. So good. There is a salty, it's a little salt on this dosa, but इसका taste ऐसा ही है, a little salty. Any which ways, I eat less salt. If I talk about avial, as I said, this is made of coconut gravy with mixed vegetables, and it takes a lot of time and lot of efforts also, because it's not easy to make avial. Parotha, Malabar parotha is eaten mostly with avial. That is also nice. I had this crunchy snacks also, which is made of poha. Okay, but this fried one, तो fried को हटा के अगर आप देखोगे तो this is also very healthy. You can bake also. Stuffed with onions and little bit of vegetables and cheese. Guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and comment. I'll meet you with some next exciting video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.